What's hot at Vestal? Today, we are featuring our spring scissor table, featuring our optional nylon caster kit. The spring scissor table is ideal for distributing and shipping facilities. The unit allows the user to transfer products from workspace to workspace while holding an ergonomically friendly position. The frame is designed of a steel construction, which allows for strength and durability. Uniform capacity is 400 to 4,500 pounds. The scissor mechanism raises the unit to the desired height, while the internal spring provides support when the unit is being loaded and unloaded. The top can be manually rotated 360 degrees for improved packaging and handling capabilities. Also featured on this model is a nylon caster kit option. Turning a stationary spring-loaded table into a portable one has never been easier. With the caster kit option, the table can now be wheeled around the workplace without the need of additional lifting equipment. The casters are attached to individual steel pieces, which are then secured to the fork pockets of the existing spring-loaded table. A floor brake is also included to maintain stability during loading and unloading. Be sure to visit us at vestal.com for more information.
We're Vestal Manufacturing. We've got it.